Hey viewers, you are watching Dasavera and I am Manpreet Kaur. Our top story comes from Karnataka, where a major administrative and political storm has erupted after a viral video allegedly showing senior police officer and Director General of Police K. Ramachandra Rao in compromising situations with women surfaced on social media, triggering public outrage and swift government action. The Karnataka government has suspended DGP Ramachandra Rao with immediate effects after the footage purporting to show inappropriate conduct inside what appears to be in-house went viral earlier this week. Officials says the allegedly behavior, if true, would be unbecoming of a government servant and a violations of service conducted rules, causing embarrassment to the state administration's order. In its suspension orders, the state government cited prima facie evidence that Rao's conduct may have breached Rule 3 of the All India Service Rules 1968. Pending inquiries, the officers has been placed under suspensions and will receive a substances allowance as per rules, with strict restrictions that he cannot leave the headquarters without written permissions. The controversy erupted after one or more 47-second clips began circulating widely online. In these unverified videos, the senior IPS officer is seen interacting intimately with women while in uniform, an act allegedly recorded inside his official chamber. Political and public reactions were swift, with demands for immediate actions of accountability. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah expressed strong displeasure when the matter was brought to his attention. He underscores that no one is above the law and directed the Home Department to initiate a detailed probe into the allegations. We will take disciplinary actions, he told reporters, emphasizing that seniority does not accept anyone from the consequences of misconduct. However, the suspended officers has categorically denied the allegations, calling the clips fabricated and false. Rao claims that the footage was manipulated, possibly using modern technologies like artificial intelligence, and insists that those behind it are targeting him to tarnish his reputation. He stated he was shocked by the development and plans to consult his legal team to pursue actions against those spreading the video. The Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara reported refused to meet Rao amid the uproar, heightening tensions within administrative circles. Meanwhile, opposition parties have seized on the incident to criticize the ruling government, demanding transparency and a swift impartial investigation. Some activists have even approached central authorities, including the Prime Minister Office and Departments of Personnel and Training, with complaints relating to alleged misuse of office and disgrades of the public duty. This episode has also brought renewed attentions to the officer's public profile. Rao, a 1993 batch IPS officer, previously faced controversy last year when his stepdaughter, Kannada actor Rania Rao, was arrested in a high-profile gold smuggling case, raising questions about propriety that lingers long after investigation. As the inquiry proceeds, Karnataka officials says the authenticity of the video as well as the origin and timing will be thoroughly examined. The outcomes will determine whether further disciplinary or legal actions will be taken against the suspended officer. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel.